Hey YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and I'm sorry for the sound quality. I'm still waiting on my mic to get here, so hopefully after this episode, the next episode will have better sound quality. But I have an unboxing today. Yes, I got it from Amazon. And I'm going to just unbox it. There's other items in this packaging that are not part of this video that I will be removing because that's not what the main point of this video is going to be about. But I do have one special item that goes to journaling supplies. So welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, I talk about things journaling, fountain pen, and books related and stationery. So if you're coming back, thank you for coming back. Grab a drink, come on back. I'm going to pull the stuff out of the box that's really pertaining to this video, and I'll get back to you shortly. Welcome back. I'm so excited. I wrangled with this decision on this particular purchase for months. It took me a while to pull the trigger because I really wanted to make sure I wanted this. And after traveling to Europe just recently, it really dawned on me. And given the fact that I also do a lot of book journaling, I really decided that I wanted to land on this because it's been really kind of an exercise in frustration for me. I'm going to flip these over so that you can kind of see, but there's been other videos that have been released. I'm going to only give you like the unboxing of this. I'm not going to actually utilize this quite yet. What I'll do is I'll come back once I've actually utilized it, which will probably be in the month of November when I do the October TBR book review / going into November. But I just wanted to let you know that I've gone ahead and decided to buy the Canon Selphy printer and some like refills for the ink supplies. I'm so excited about this. I cannot tell you. I really wrangled with it, but after coming back from my trip to Europe and printing and trying to write in my travel journal, kind of catch up on, just the images and all the visuals that I was able to see in my trip to Italy, I really did land on this because I am a very visual person and I really do like sticking images in my journal. I'm a big fan of that. And the Canon Ivy, I'm sorry, it sucks. The quality really sucks. The tone, the quality capture, the fact that those almost in every journal that I have that has Canon Ivy or HP Sprocket kind of equivalent Z ink is just not going to capture like this is going to. My book covers, jackets that I do, and my reading journal are not going to capture. And the fact that I have to spend so much money on getting sticky paper, 8.5 by 11, and then I'm like wasting the bottom border. I don't want to go into 2025 like that. So I decided to go ahead and splurge on this is a postcard size inkjet paper. So it's kind of like 4x3. It's almost, I want to say like personal size or A6 size. So that's a good size. But with this, I can get up to, they're showing this whole photo here, but I can get up to 6 images in one printing. So I went ahead, let me get my water bottle out of the way and the candle because we don't want anything to catch on fire. I'm so excited. Happy birthday to me. So I haven't been buying fountain pens, but I've been buying other things. So this already has like this in there. I just bought a spare so that I don't have to do it over the holidays. This is travel worthy. It has the warranty card in here. It has the inkjet printer kind of cartridge in here. It has the holder. I got this off of Amazon, you guys. And so this is the cartridge holder for the, as you can see, the paper. Let me put this to the side. It has the instruction manual, and it comes with some paper sheets. And this is about the size. But with this paper sheet, literally I can print probably 8 book jackets on this and not waste a ton of paper, which was the other reason why I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger. I got this one on sale. I don't know if I've got the latest release or the release that was last year's model, but this was running, I think, on sale. Note to everybody, this will probably be November when this gets released. The power pack, the power cable that extends into whatever device that you're going to hook to, and then the actual Selphy printer itself. It's small, so if I can see why they say it's portable. However, I wouldn't take this with me on vacation. That's for darn sure. This will definitely live at home for me. But if you had a car and you were going to a kid's birthday party and you wanted to print out a bunch of prints for your kids stuff, I could see you doing that. But actually, I think for most people, you'd probably be better served. And I can't tell you what to do. You're all grown people. You'd be better served leaving it at home. Just kind of favoriting your images as you're shooting them in whatever appropriate device that you have. Oh, look at my Snoopy watch. I'm sorry, that's a new watch face. Squirrel, a little distracted. Sorry about that. Because it's, look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at Snoopy. Oh my God. It's so appropriate for the holidays because I don't know about you guys, but I grew up in the era of Charlie Brown Christmas and Snoopy. Just love, love, love. So therefore, sidetrack. I digress. So this is the little tiny printer. Oops. And I'm going to bring this down, actually. I can bring this down like this. On my camera, that's the printer. That locks it. This is the power cable for the USB-C, I'm hoping. Another thing that I'm very, very stoked about is I finally think I've got all of my devices off of the weird cables, micro, USB-A to USB. Hopefully this is a USB-C printer. But this is the power cable. I'm just like, I don't know about you guys, but I'm really tired of having a gazillion cables to everything. But this is the power bank, and this is the other piece to the power bank. And I'm just hoping that I can like do book jackets a little bit more efficient. Now I'm gonna do all of this hook up, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to run anything quite yet. But I do have everything here that's needed. I've got to look at the instructions, you guys. I have not looked at the instructions. I'm going to just put this here at a little bit more warm light. But this is the initial unboxing of the Selphy. Stay tuned because next week I will have had printed something and been able to read the instructions for all of these things and be able to give you guys a satisfactory thumbs up, thumbs down, which I'm praying and fingers crossed that everything is a thumbs up review. But this is coming in November and it's perfect timing for the holiday season. So that's all I've got for today. I know you guys are like, oh, I want to see what the quality looks like. Look at other videos, but I'll still give you my opinion when I get a chance. I just don't have everything kind of set up to give you like a photo print at this point in time. And it's going to take way longer than I thought. So I might just combine this all together. But this is at least part one of the unboxing, initial impressions. This looks very good. There's not enough of this paper that comes, I will say, in the box, but you do get all the components. This will only last for so many prints, and then when this goes out, you've got to buy this kit, which gives you a brand new one of these and additional paper. And I don't know why they didn't do this for the amount of money, you guys. I will say this. So you get, it's 4x6. That's the size. I don't know what it is. Oh, millimeters for all you metric people, 100 by 148 millimeters. You get 108 sheets. And why? Does this look like 108 sheets to you? Like, come on, Canon. Like, why didn't you just give me a full, like, what are you doing? Okay, so now I gotta go out and buy kind of the equivalent to last for this. So that's the boo. That's the boo of buying the kit. I bought this in addition to this. So I would say that the refill kit runs about, I think, $30 or so on Amazon USD, but it might vary. Again, we're getting ready to go into the holiday shopping season, so look out for Black Friday sales. And if you guys can get this cheaper, you know, if you're interested, pick it up. I will say for me, I'm gonna have to buy some more sheets because I've got so many things to print, and it goes into this cartridge holder. So I want to have. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, what do they give it? What did they give me here? Is this paper in here? Hold on, just a second. Nope. Psych. I got punked. Okay. So I was hoping that they just had preloaded paper already in here, but they don't. All right, so I'm going to have to put paper into this cartridge holder for the paper. And again, this is nearly not 108 sheets, so I'm going to have to buy that. I am going to be looking for sticker paper so that I can just chop it with my guillotine cutting board and call it the day. But that's it. So the good thing I would say about this is they do give you enough to get started, but they should have just gone all in. So my one ding with Canon was, why didn't you just give us a full pack of paper? Because this ink cartridge is gonna last for 108 prints. So they should have matched it to the equivalent of the refill box supply that you have to buy when this inkjet scanning device goes back and forth 108 times. This color also comes in black as well as white. I decided to get white because I felt like I would be able to easily see it. I think that this comes up. Hold on just a second. That peels off. And I think, and it says it's Wi-Fi enabled. So let me get that zoomed in so that you can see it. Right there, it's Wi-Fi enabled. I've got so many things from a computer equipment kind of perspective that is black. I just did not want it. So the next time you see me, I will go into a deeper dive of this equipment. I just want to get it set up. I want to get more paper. My initial impressions is this looks like it's solid. It is very plasticky. So you're not paying for anything that's metal, but there's metal components you can feel underneath this. Quite frankly, the Selphy, it is small. It is portable if you decide that you want to cart this around. The ink cassette goes in there on this end, and I think the paper cassette goes in on this end. But I will walk you through my version, my review of my thoughts and impressions on this. But right now, looks like a thumbs up with a couple of negatives. One being the paper, two being they could have given us a case for this. That would have been nice. I shouldn't have had to pay for a separate pleathery nylon, you know, cheap, you know, inexpensive, made in China kind of case, because you know that they actually do make that. But those are my two dings. Otherwise, I think I'm going to really like, from what I've seen on other videos, the quality of the print. All right, so that's it for now. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you already own one, let me know what you think about the print quality. Anybody else has any comments, please put them below. I'll try to respond to them as soon as possible. And until next time, take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.